If I were starting over in my 20s with no money or assets, here are the top 3 things I would do to get started in investing. Number 1, I would open a TD Ameritrade or an E-Trade account and immediately start putting in $25 to $100 a month and invest in index funds. I like VOO, VGT, and SLYV. Number 2, I would open a Fundrise account so I could start investing in real estate immediately. You can start with as little as $10 and I would add to this account immediately. This is a great place to get into real estate with very little money. And number 3, and this one is great, I would open an Acorns account. I love this app because you can set it to round up all of your little purchases. Then it invests that money immediately. I personally would set it to moderate risk. These are 3 great ways to get started with little money. Okay, so we have the plan. Let's go.